Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back today to share with you a paper pumpkin kit by Stampin' Up. For those of you who didn't know, my is it distributorship? I can't remember, demonstrator, whatever, level had lapsed, and so I was taking a break from Stampin' Up. I just re-signed back up under a wonderful, super nice gal. I'm so impressed with her. A friend had recommended when I had gone to her and said, if I'm going to sign back up, you know, do you want me to sign back up under you? She referred me to someone else because she herself is in a transition place. So anyways, long story short, I'm back. I love it. And look at what I had received a few weeks ago, and I just literally, you know, cut the tape before I turned on the camera. So I open it with you. So, okay, so the color in this is Early Espresso. That's such a pretty color. And these are just little bitty ink squares. I love these. These are great for when you travel. And then here are the stamps, and they say, many good things grow. Let me move that out of the way, and you can probably see it better. So, Happy Mother's Day, happy birthday, hello. Many good things grow all year long. Some leaves, a flower, a little filigree, and then what a beautiful friendship we've grown. Oh, that's sweet. I like that. Okay, so I love the color of the tissue. Oh, I love these. Oh my goodness. So this is just a wonderful May Good Things Grow beautiful card kit. Oh my gosh, look at those envelopes. They're scalloped. So I look forward to coming back and doing this with you guys. I am just about to the point where I can start doing some things that I was doing before. We are still, we've been working just full on in our family members' practice as well as in the estate, and so anyways, I look very forward. As a matter of fact, I just put everything to the side right now, decided I'm going to get back in here and start making some videos with you guys. So, alright, super excited, absolutely love this. I will come back and do a video as I make these. Oh, and I missed this, all the wood veneers. Oh, goodness gracious. I love it. Okay, this is going to be a fun project. Okay, guys, well, most importantly, I want to thank you guys for all your patience, all the incredible emails, messages that you guys have sent. This has been a really difficult time in my life, and I'm thankful that that I was honored to be a part of caring for the family members and helping them as they came to their end of lives. And I will make a video, a one-on-one, where I just answer questions. There's been a lot of questions that have come my way, and so anyways, I will be, it's just I'm not ready for it yet. Emotionally, it's just really still hard. So, but I just want to thank you guys for your patience, your kindness, your prayers, your well wishes. They have definitely been what has gotten me through clearly one of the most difficult times in my life and in our family's lives. So, and we've had other really difficult things happen, but not just one on top of the other, and so that part was hard. That was hard. So anyways, and I'm still working on the estate, and I'm still working on the practice, and there just aren't enough hours in the day. So anyways, but thank you guys for coming by today. Most importantly, I pray that your day is blessed, that it is creative, and it is ever so lovely. And I cannot wait to come back and put these babies together with you guys with me. All right. I'll be talking to y'all soon. You guys take care. Bye-bye.